Hello, this is Ragnar and here's my Air Force toy helicopter. This is very small, you see, like my hand, and this very good for the price. It's very funny, and it's very great. It it cannot fly outside. It died after 10 seconds, like, but it's very good indoor. My transmitter, I don't know where it is, but I will recommend this for children. It's not so, it's very cheap. I don't know what the price is, but it's very fun. I recommend this very much. I have broke my little wing here, you see, but I will fix it soon. It will come up more videos on this, I think. So don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. So see you next. Bye bye.